So hello everyone, welcome back to another video on computer. So NSSB combined form service, I'm completing the computer option paper, and it's been a long time since I've uploaded the video. So today ajiki lo topic the computer communication and internet. So let us start with the class. So first question. WWW is a process of creating and organizing and linking documents which was invented by who? Is it A. Steve Jobs, B. Tim Berners-Lee, Bill Gates, or Paul Allen? So WWW World Wide Web itu kun ba panasya invent kurse. So what is the answer? So the answer is Tim Berners-Lee, option number B. So let us study about Tim Berners-Lee. So WWW the World Wide Web and it is a collection of multiple websites around the world. Tim Berners-Lee Sunday do WWW invent kurse. Aru 1989 de propose kurse, but actually 1981 they create kurse on 23rd of August means public day. So as you can see in the photo, Tim Berners-Lee the inventor of the World Wide Web. So let us go to the next question. Touch means sending data or file from a computer on the internet. So what from tela computer by internet itula? What is the answer? Is it A. Uploading, deleting, downloading, and accessing? What is the answer? So tela computer ba itu kurse, so it means you are uploading the file. That is option number A. So let us study about this. Uploading refers to the process of sending data or a file from your computer to a different location on the internet. This could be website, cold storage, cloud storage service, email recipient, or another type of platform or server. So I hope you got it. Let us go to the next question. In the field of computer and internet, what does W3C stands for? W3C to CUSE. Is it A. World Wide Web Content, World Wide Web Center, World Wide Web Consortium, or World Wide Web Commission? So what is the answer? So the answer is option number C, that is World Wide Web Consortium. So we'll study about this. So in the field of computer, itu W3C do World Wide Web Consortium are the international community where member organization, a full staff and public work here to develop web standard. Itu basically the organization known as W3C. So I hope you have understood this. Chalo next question karo. In the URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator URL do http www.d2h.com login.php. So which component identifies the path of a web page? So path tala rasta to kiba define kore from this given website. So is it a login.php, https www/www or www.d2h.com? The path to key kundo tigaz. So what is the answer? The answer is option number A, that is login.php. So man itu study karo whole website la each and every detail to. So in www.http login.path .com means itu commercial .gov kule .government .in .india .uk means United Kingdom itu HTTPS to hypertext transfer protocol. So itu ensures data security over the internet and www.2ds it is a complete web address. So I hope you have understood this. Chalo next question karo. Question number 5. Which of the following is incorrect in reference to plugins in web browser? So plugin to web browser de ki kundo incorrect Option number A. Applications intended for use in web browser Plugins are like ActiveX controllers. Plugins can be executed outside the web browser. And Adobe Flash is an example of an application that is available as a plugin. So what is the answer? So plugin the case, for example, the Chrome collision in computer. To Chrome खोला दमदे suppose to एक PDF file खोलिजा. So किता PDF file खोले दो ताई अलग एक tab खोले ना वो PDF file तो open करे. और दो Adobe Flash tag ले तो ये PDF file तो साव पड़े. So ini suppose की गन PDF file kan साव मन चले तो you can use Adobe Flash. So itu computer la tila web browser la suppose Chrome la bitor de inbuilt ase. So it means that itu web browser la bitor de ase. So what will be the answer? Aro tai bahar de thako na bro. Itu web browser la bitor de thako. So what will be the answer? The answer is number that C, that is plugin can be executed outside the web browser. Option number C. So let us study about this. So plugin the case, it is a piece of software that acts as an add-on to the web browser, and plugins can allow a web browser to display additional content if not originally designed to display. They are implemented using standardized application programming interface, that is APIs. They cannot be executed outside the web browser. That means, for example, the website is for example, plugin de it is actually the PDF file and what not. So these are the example of plugin. So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next question. In touch communication, the two computer begins by establishing a connection via automated process known called a handshake. So suppose to the computer the connection banao gole to ki ido connection kura damde first step to handshake ase. So what is this communication type? Is it a server communication, TCP, socket, or protocol? So ido ki la connection ase? The answer is option number B, that is TCP. TCP is a transmission control protocol. So let us study about TCP. TCP though transmission control protocol, it is a transport protocol built on top of IP that ensures packet delivery reliability. In transmission control protocol communication, the two computers begin by establishing a connection via automated process known as a handshake. So it's a computer or like the server lode connect rule, we do first to handshake. It is a automated process, not physical handshake but a digital connection. So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next question. Which of the following is a computer that hosts a website on the internet? So एक computer एक website host करे, for example Facebook or Instagram. So idu website host kora computer ki koi? Is it a web page, web server, search engine, or web browser? What is the answer? So the answer is option number B, that is web server. So the charta word we will study in detail. What does each word mean? So web server it is a computer that runs website. It is a web server is a computer that runs website. It is a computer program that distributes web pages as their requisitioned. The basic objective of web server is to store, process, and deliver web pages to the user. For example, Facebook la to login kurse. Those for example to marketplace jao manjaza. So it web server to marketplace te access kurle link dibo inga. And itu communication ki boy HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. So for example to computer ba te access kore itu internet pa udu web server ke, for example Facebook la web server. So this will be given through the internet. So regarding the other words, web page web page means itu udu Facebook la page ke view करे एक web page को, and search engine do for example to Google चले एक ता engine एक और तो एक ता for example Yahoo cholai idu sob ke search engine mate aru web browser do Chrome gan ase Mozilla Firefox ase aru Opera mini ase or Opera be ase aru Internet Explorer be ase. So these are type of the web browsers. So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next question. How long is an IP Internet Protocol v6 address? So IP v6 address to kiman lamba ase ko ase. Is it a 32 bit, 64 bit, 128 bit or 128 bytes? So the answer is what? The answer is option number C, that is 128 bits. So mon study koro IPv6 to kina ase. So IP stands for Internet Protocol version 6 aru etu numerical label nisina use kore. So IP4 gana dekhi etu 32 bit dekcha aru IPv6 to 128 bits ase aru etu bits ase not byte, bits. So this is the IPv6 address that is used to access the internet. To internet kita access koro deke ekta IP address mate, that is suppose tila home address nisina ase tila computer la main address. So deke IPv6 mate. It is 128 bits. So I hope you have understood. Let us go to the next question. What type of network? The type of network that allows a regional internet service provider to connect its customer to the internet is what? Regional internet service provider, for example, Jio hoilibe or Airtel hoilibe. Idu ki ase? So is it a local area network or metropolitan area network (MAN), wide area network, or none of this? So kundu ase answer do? The answer is WAN, that is wide area network. So one study koro LAN, MAN or WAN do in each and every word in detail. First of all, local area network ke ase LAN. Etu ke ase ekta building nilebe ekta gor mojode banala. That is a network that connects a computer or other device in a relatively small area. For example, ekta building de sob manu computer ede chula. So etu sob to LAN ba connect kore. Aro metropolitan area network, for example to Mumbai de deke. So etu network de connect korishkele to metropolitan area network. It is a large network that covers an entire city or campus. MAN is used to provide connectivity for cities and universities, but they are typically used to connect to individual customers to the internet. So idu MAN do, for example to if you study in a university, for example Nagaland University la Wi-Fi deko. So idu give MAN consider korbe. And next is wide area network. For example, whole area de cover kula Jio. For example to idu Jio use kordo. You can use in if you're using in Kohima to Dimapur dibe same network to use cover. So this means it is a wide area network. So I'll show you the graphical representation of this WAN, LAN, WAN and MAN. So first up here, private area network, local area network 10 km 1 km, metropolitan area network more than 10 km, and wide area network more than 1000 km. So idu a graphical representation of the area network. So I hope you have got this. One next question jabo. Protocols that require a logical connection to be established between two devices before transferring data are called yes. So suppose ekta duita computer la mojode connection establish korle time de ekta logical connection establish korle etu ki koi? Is it a connection oriented protocol, link to connection protocol, data transfer protocol, or broadcasting protocol? So what is the answer? So the answer will be option number A, that is connection oriented protocol. Option number A. So let us study about this. Connection oriented protocol provides a reliable and ordered way to transfer data between two devices. The connection is then terminated once all the data has been transferred. Example of connection oriented protocol though COP TCP, transmission control protocol, file transfer protocol, or SSH, that is secure shell. So a lot question about that. What are the types of connection oriented protocol to DCP, FTP, and SSH? So I hope you have understood this. Let us go to the next question. Question number 11. When the web server responds with an HTTP response to the web client, that response message has which of the following sections? So is it a status line, get method, request line, or accept field? The answer is status line. So let us go to the next question. The last question for today is, what does 6LOWPAN stands for? 6LOWPAN. Is it a IPv6 over low power wireless personal area network, 6 lower wireless public area network, 6 longest wireless protocols and network, IP6 over low power wireless public access network? So what is the answer? The answer is number A, that is IPv6 over low power area personal area network. So we'll study about this. 6 low PAN, that is IP6 over low power wireless personal area network, is a low power wireless mesh network where every node has its own PV address. Sub node to IPv6 addresses. This allows the node to connect directly to the internet using open standards. So this is a visual representation of I6 low PAN. So I hope you have understood this. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe for more content on NSSB. Thank you guys for watching, and all the best for exam.